In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Hormozi Caption style in Submagic. First, open your browser and head to submagic.co. Sign in, and if you have access to more than one workspace or account, select the one you want to work in so your project lands in the right place. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see options to either create a new project or open an existing one. If you already have a project ready, go ahead and open it. If not, choose Create a Project to start fresh. Either way, you'll end up in the editor where you can manage your video and its captions. Next, navigate to the Captions section. This is where Submagic keeps all the styling tools for your subtitles. You're looking for a style called Hormozi. It's a popular, high-impact look designed for short-form content, and in Submagic, you'll find 5 different Hormozi variations. Each one has a slightly different feel. Think combinations of bold fonts, color accents, and attention-grabbing animations. So take a moment to browse through them. If previews are available, quickly play a snippet to see which one best matches your content's energy and brand. Once you've picked the Hormozi style you like, apply it to your project. From here, you can edit the style to fit your video. Keep the adjustments simple and purposeful. You can usually tweak things like font size for readability, colors for contrast, and word emphasis to highlight key phrases. If your video has a lot of quick speech, slightly increasing font size and using high contrast colors can make a big difference. Placement matters too. Keep captions away from lower third graphics or important visuals so they don't cover anything essential. As you customize, play back short sections to check timing and line breaks. The goal is clean, punchy subtitles that are easy to follow. If there's an option for emphasis effects like bolding certain words or using dynamic highlights, use them sparingly to draw attention without overwhelming the viewer. And if you're choosing colors, try to stick to 2 or 3 that align with your brand or the video's tone. When everything looks right, give the video one more pass from start to finish. Make sure the captions are consistent, nothing is cut off, and the style feels cohesive across the whole piece. That's it. You've logged in, chosen your account, created or opened a project, found the Hormozi caption style, selected the version you like, and edited it to suit your video. You're now ready to move forward with a clean, professional caption look that stands out.